Before America was born, one English port helped shape its destiny. This is Bristol in the 1770s, where wealth, ships, and human lives crossed the Atlantic. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you learn about the real history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In the early 1700s, Bristol stood as one of Britain's most powerful port cities, its crowded harbour alive with tall-masted ships, shouting dockhands, and the constant scent of salt, tar, and tobacco. Wealth flowed in with every tide as vessels arrived from the American colonies carrying sugar, rum, rice, timber, and tobacco, commodities that fueled Bristol's merchants and financed the expanding British Empire. Along the waterfront, rope makers, sail weavers, coopers, and shipbuilders labored from dawn to dusk, their work sustaining global trade, while elegant Georgian homes rose just streets away from cramped alleys where the poor scraped by on bread, ale, and irregular wages. Political power rested firmly with merchant elites loyal to the crown, men who controlled shipping contracts, trade licenses, and the city's fortunes. In dockside taverns, sailors swapped news from Boston, Charleston, and Virginia, whispers of profit, tension, and unrest crossing the Atlantic with every ship, binding Bristol's future tightly to colonial America, even as the forces that would one day spark revolution quietly gathered strength.